In this lecture, we are going to see what are the recommended premium hosting packages that you can buy for your WordPress e-commerce website. Let's start with shared web hosting. If you're starting out with a budget web hosting, then you should look for shared web hosting, for which I recommend stablehost.com. There are several reasons for that. If I explain all of them, it will take hours. So, the first thing that you should see in a shared web hosting is the node levels or input-output issues that your website is going to face, which is absolutely nowhere in StableHost because they provide SSD storage for all their web hosting packages. Let's move on to VPS, Virtual Private Server, which is a bit costly compared to shared web hosting. But if you are moving into the next level from shared hosting, then VPS is your solution. I recommend VPS.net if you are buying VPS for the first time because they give 1000% uptime, which means your website will be online always. The next web hosting in VPS is Jaguar PC, where they give managed web hosting, which means they will manage all the things behind the server. You can concentrate on the front end of your website alone. VPS.net offers a similar kind of service, but Jaguar PC is a bit cheap and their support is top notch. Then comes Liquid Web, which I recommend for dedicated web hosting as well as virtual private server, but they are a bit costly compared to VPS.net and Jaguar PC. If you are just starting, then start with shared hosting. When you get more than 10,000 visitors a day, then you can move to VPS hosting. That's the maximum limit. But if you can allocate higher budget, then move to VPS hosting when you hit 2,000 visitors a day. That's the optimum level to get the top-notch speed for your website, even with heavy traffic. Whatever hosting you buy, don't forget to add CDN to your hosting so that your website will be served from multiple points of the world. Essentially, JavaScript, CSS and images will be served from a server that is nearest to your visitor. For testing purposes, you can get a test account from MaxCDN, but for your professional website, buy per GB packages from them. The next thing is Cloudflare, which is basically free, but it's kind of like CDN. So, if your hosting provider supports it, just add it to get a speed boost for your website. Also, we will deal with Cloudflare and MaxCDN later while we are optimizing your website for page speed. Just for introduction purpose, I am giving this information to you. Webhostingtalk.com is a forum where you can get coupons and read reviews about hosting providers. Here you can find legitimate reviews of almost every web hosting providers written by real users. If you are ready to spend your time in researching this, you can know about the features and problems of lots of hosting providers. I will provide you links to these websites in the next lecture in a PDF document. This is shared hosting coupon page, where all the shared hosting providers around the world will provide their cheapest coupons. This is the VPS hosting coupon page, where VPS hosting providers share their cheapest coupons. Don't forget to watch these pages when you want to buy premium hosting packages. Let me show you two live example coupons. First one is StableHost. Here is the coupon for unlimited startup package for just $1.75 per month. You won't be paying $1.75 every month. You should pay $63 upfront for 3 years, which comes to $1.75 per month. So calculate it accordingly. Second example is Liquid Web. It offers VPS servers with 1 GB storage and 1 GB RAM for $60. There are several other plans. You can give a look later when you buy a premium hosting package for your website. In the next lecture, we will see where to buy premium domains.